Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, and so for Friday we have 3 things to do. We have 3 things to do every single day. Number 1, routines. Number 2, basic weekly plan. Number 3, zone. So let's get after it. First thing we're going to do is get up a half hour before the children or whomever we're taking care of and do our personal morning routine. We're not to leave the bathroom till we've completed the parts that we need to do in there, the bedroom till the bed is made, and the kitchen until everything's done in there that we want to do this morning, which is simple. It's empty the dishwasher and make yourself something to eat and or drink. Okay, next we're going to go to the kids if we have any or anyone else we care for, or dogs or animals, and we're going to put them through their morning routine. Once that's done, if you have to work, get in your car and enjoy the ride to work. When you get to work, you're going to get out your control book, your control journal after you've said hello to everyone and gotten a beverage of your choice. And then you're going to do the mundane things first and then go through that basic control journal. Now, when you have lunch and when you have break, we're going to take care of what's happening at home as best we can. So let's see what's happening there. At home, Fly Babies. Hello, lions. You're strong. You can do this. After you've done your morning routine, you're going to put your laundry in. You're going to go through your paper about 1 inch if you have any left. You're going to keep an ear out for that laundry so you can put it in the dryer, and when the dryer is done you can fold it and put it away. Very simple tasks, most of it done by the machines. All right, after we've done those 2 things and while the laundry is finishing, we're going to go ahead and do our basic weekly plan. Today our basic weekly plan is so easy. It takes just a couple of minutes if you do it every week, and if you train yourself to complete the process every time you get ready to get out of your car, you won't have much to do because it's car and purse day. So you're going to go clean out your car and you're going to empty out your purse and reload it with the things you want to have in it. Now, when I say clean out the car, I don't mean vacuum it, I don't mean wash it, I just mean take the junk out of it. Of course you can take it today to the drive-through car wash and maybe give it a vacuum if you want. That's your choice, but at least get the junk out of it. All right. And then the next thing is zone 1. Yesterday we were actually in zone 1. I may have indicated that we were in zone 5. Oops. Today's the last day of zone 1. It's a short week. Every time it turns the first of the month, it becomes zone 1 just to the end of that week. Now, if you're at home, your weekend's on Friday as far as zone goes. You don't work on zones on Saturday if you're doing them 4 days during the week. If you are a payroll Fly Baby, now how are we going to implement these things? Well, very easily. Remember, I told you to keep garbage bags in your desk at work? Well, on your break, run out to your car and get all the junk out and throw it away. Anything that needs to go back into the house, put it in another bag, put it on the floor of the front seat, and when you get home today, grab it and go put it up. All right? How are we going to implement our other things? Well, your purse can be done at work. You just can't dump it out. Well, you might, but I wouldn't. Just take out the trash, throw it away. If you find something in there that doesn't belong in your purse, put it in another garbage bag. Ball it up, stick it back in your purse when you get home. Get that out as well. All right, so as far as your basic weekly plan goes, you're going to do that when you get home. So here's what you're going to do on your other break. You're going to think about delegating the rest of that basic weekly plan if possible, and go ahead and do that. If you haven't done that or you're not able to do that, then you're going to be doing it tonight and or tomorrow, Saturday. The other thing we're going to do is think about the zone. We're in zone 1, the front entryway. So if your stairs go down into the entryway, if you have a foyer, if you're not snowed in and you have a front porch you can access, your front door, your doorbell, those are kind of areas that you're going to clean up. 15 minutes only though, that's it. All right, next is, so when you come home, you're going to start your laundry, you're going to go through 1 inch of paper, you're going to keep your ear out for your laundry, just like the at-home Fly Babies, and then make dinner. While dinner is simmering, you're going to take care of that entryway and possibly one of the 1 or 2 remaining things you have left of the basic weekly plan. Then serve supper. Now everyone comes together after dinner because we're all going to do our after dinner routine together as a family, and then it's before bed routine. That's it. Now if you're a Fly Baby and you are a payroll Fly Baby, I'll have more to tell you tomorrow if you didn't get it all done this week. And don't feel bad, I never got mine done during the week, but I think that I would have had I known some of the tricks I know now. Hopefully this is helping you. Have a fabulous day, and don't forget that you are beautiful. Oh, and it's date night with your hubby.